Hello guys, this is Brad. When you check my book UnBrokable, you'll see a photo me sitting on Ferrari. I don't own a car anymore since 2017, but I like to. I have four other things instead. First thing is I do own my condo for 100%. It shows that it's $161,000 right now, but I bought it for $60,000 10 years ago. So that's the first thing I own. And second thing is I have some stocks and bonds, and that's the second thing I own. And third thing is I have written 38 books so far, so that's the third thing I own. And I have a family, so that's the another thing. So instead of car, I decided to own something else.